My name is Sophie, and today I'm going to do a book review on the book Owl Diaries, Eva and the New Owl by Rebecca Elliott. Owl Diaries is the series. Eva and the New Owl is the fourth book of the Owl Diaries series. The main character of this book is Eva. Eva's an owl. That's why the series of this book is called Owl Diaries, because she's an owl. Eva has a best friend named Lucy. This is Lucy. Lucy's also an owl. Eva doesn't exactly like one owl named Sue. This is Sue. Eva sometimes calls Sue Minnie McMeanerson, a funny name, mainly because Sue is sometimes a bit mean. Eva's an owl, and so she uses words like flapperific and floptastic. Aren't those cool and creative words the author used? Eva, in this book, likes writing and blueberry ice cream. Who doesn't like ice cream? Doesn't make me hungry. But she doesn't like her little brother Owl Baby Mo's stinky diapers. Well, I don't like stinky diapers either. I don't like anything that's stinky. Who does? Now, I'm going to tell you what the story's about. The story's about Eva and her best friend Lucy's class going to get a new owl. They're very excited. They're very excited to meet her. I would be excited too if there was a new kid joining my class. So everyone is busily getting to class, waiting for the new owl. So the new owl's name is Hailey. This is Hailey. She's a new owl. Isn't she cute? She's standing in front of the class. Eva really wants Hailey to be her friend. So she moves away from Lucy so Hailey can sit next to the seat next to Eva. But Hailey takes a seat next to Lucy. I can feel that Eva's a little bit disappointed. Eva tries really hard to make Hailey like her. She makes her a bead necklace, a pretty bead necklace for Hailey. She even makes her a guide of Treetopolis. Treetopolis is the place where Eva, Hailey, and her friends live. But Hailey seems to be hanging out more with Lucy than with Eva. And Eva isn't exactly hanging out with Lucy anymore. She's too focused on the new owl. And she isn't nice to Lucy anymore that much. Will Eva lose her best friend Lucy? You can definitely find out by reading this book, Eva and the New Owl. Okay, back to the book. My favorite part of this book is this part when it shows what the picture of the necklace Eva made. Isn't it beautiful? There's one part I don't exactly like, so I'm going to read it to you. It's what Sue says. She says, "You know, the new owl is not going to like you just because you had a few feathers cut." In the story, Eva did go to the feather dresser. That's where owls cut their feathers, like people cut their hair. And Eva said, "Who said anything but the new owl?" And then Sue said something like, "I heard you and Lucy hooting about her in class. But Hailey's going to choose the coolest owls to be her friends. Owls like me." That isn't exactly a very nice thing to say, though. Who knows who Hailey will want to be friends with? That's one of the reasons why Eva calls Sue Minnie McMeanerson. That silly name. Overall, I like this book. So I recommend you to read this book if you like books that include animals and friendship. It's done for today. Thank you for watching.